Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 27th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 16 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. South India's first Adivasi library, Kannu, was unveiled in. Answer is Karnataka. South India's first Adivasi library, Kanu, was inaugurated at BR Hills in Chamrajnagar district in Karnataka on 25th August. Kanu means evergreen forest in Soliga language. Kanu aims to be the first knowledge center dedicated to the past, present, and culture of South Indian Adivasi communities. Kanu has been set up at the Institute of Public Health building with 1,200 books, research papers, and contemporary works. Question number 2. Recently, world's second largest diamond was discovered in. Answer is Botswana. A Canadian mining firm has discovered a 2,492-carat diamond at Karoo Mine in Botswana, the world's second largest diamond. The diamond was discovered in the Karoo Diamond Mine in northeastern Botswana using X-ray technology. The first position is held by the 3,106-carat Cullinan diamond found in neighboring South Africa in 1905. Question number 3. Which country won the team title at the Under-17 Wrestling World Championships 2024? Answer is India. India won the women's team title at Under-17 World Wrestling Championships for the first time with 185 points held in Amman, Jordan on 22nd August 2024. Indian women signed off with 8 medals, including 5 gold, 1 silver and 3 bronze, and collected 185 points overall to finish at the top of team tally. With 146 points, Japan finished second and Kazakhstan finished third with 79 points. Kajal became the 5th wrestler from the country to win a gold medal. Question number 4. India won which medal at the Asian Surfing Championships 2024? Answer is silver. Maldives has organized the 3rd Asian Surfing Championships 2024 at the picturesque island of Thulusdoo from 17 to 27 August 2024. The Indian men's surfing team won a historic silver medal at the 3rd Asian Surfing Championships 2024. Japan won the gold and the Maruhba Cup with 58.40 points. The Chinese Taipei, Taiwan, with 23.93 points, took 3rd place and the bronze medal. Question number 5. Who won women's singles title at the Under-15 Badminton Asia Junior Championships 2024? Answer is Tanvi Patri. 14-year-old Tanvi Patri of Odisha won the women's singles title of the Asian Under-15 Junior Championships 2024 by defeating Vietnamese Nguyen Thi Tu Huyen in the final. Tanvi Patri became the 3rd Indian to win the women's singles titles of the Asian Under-15 Badminton Championships. Samia Imad Farudi in 2017 and Tasneem Mir in 2019 won the singles title in the Asian Under-15 Championship. Question number 6. What is the duration of the newly approved Vigyan Dhara scheme? Answer is 5 years. In a meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Union Cabinet has approved the merger of the Department of Science and Technology's 3 central schemes into a new scheme, Vigyan Dhara. The Vigyan Dhara scheme is from 2021 to 22 to 2025 to 26. The proposed outlay for the 5-year Vigyan Dhara scheme is 10,579.84 crore rupees. Vigyan Dhara scheme will formulate 5-year plans to realize the government's goal of Vikshit Bharat 2024. Question number 7. Which pension scheme will be replaced by the Unified Pension Scheme? Answer is National Pension System. The Union Cabinet, in a meeting held on 24 August 2024 and chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved the Unified Pension System for its employees. The new scheme will replace the existing National Pension System, NPS. According to the Government of India, the Unified Pension Scheme is proposed to be implemented from 1 April 2025. Question number 8. Where was the review meeting of the left-wing extremism affected states held in August 2024? Answer is Raipur. Amit Shah, Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation, chaired a review meeting on left-wing extremism and an interstate coordination meeting in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, on 24 August 2024. Amit Shah said, the central government is committed to eradicating left-wing extremism, Naxalism, from the country before March 2026. According to the Ministry of Home Affairs, the total number of Naxal-affected districts was 38 in 9 states in 2024. Question number 9. Who has launched the Bharat Zero Emission Trucking Policy Advisory Document? Answer is Ajay Kumar Sood. On 21 August 2024, Professor Ajay Kumar Sood, Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India, launched the Bharat Zero Emission Trucking Policy Advisory Document at the Vigyan Bhavan Annex in New Delhi. This advisory outlines a comprehensive approach to achieving 100% ZET sales penetration by 2050, crucial for India's Net Zero 2070 target. Question number 10. Who has released the My Stamp 165th Income Tax Day? Answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. On 21 August 2024, Union Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitharaman has released the My Stamp 165th Income Tax Day to commemorate 165 years of income tax in India. India annually celebrates Income Tax Day on 24 July to commemorate the introduction of income tax in India by Sir James Wilson in 1860. 24 July 2024 marks the 165th Income Tax Day. Question number 11. India's Neeraj Chopra has finished at which position at the Lausanne Diamond League 2024? Answer is second. Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra finished second at the Lausanne Diamond League 2024, also known as Atletissima, with his season's best throw of 89.49 meter. Lausanne Diamond League 2024, organized by World Athletics, was held from the 21st to 22nd August 2024 at Pontes Olympic Stadium in Lausanne, Switzerland. The two-time world champion and 2024 Paris Olympics bronze medalist, Anderson Peters of Grenada, won the event with a throw of 90.61 m, while Julian Weber of Germany finished third with a throw of 87.08 m. Question number 12. Five-time Olympian Daniela Lariel Chirinos passed away. She was associated with. Answer is cyclist. Daniela Greluis Lariel Chirinos, a five-time Olympic cyclist, has passed away at the age of 50 in Las Vegas, USA. She was born on 2 October 1973 in Venezuela. She has competed in 5 Summer Olympic Games representing Venezuela, beginning with 1992, Barcelona, 1996, Atlanta, 2000, Sydney, 2004, Athens, and 2012, London. Question number 13. India became the largest buyer of Russian oil, surpassing which country? Answer is China. In July 2024, India became the largest buyer of Russian oil, surpassing China, as reported by Reuters on 22 August. India imported 2.07 million barrels per day of Russian crude, while China imported 1.76 million barrels per day. This marked a significant shift, with India importing 12% more Russian crude than last year, and China reducing its imports by 7.4%. Question number 14. Who was appointed as Additional Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP? Answer is Sanjeev Raina. Sanjeev Raina, a senior officer from the 1987 batch of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, has been appointed as the Additional Director General of the ITBP. He will be specifically responsible for overseeing the forces along the India-China Line of Actual Control, LAC. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, was created in 1962, mainly to handle mountain warfare and protect the borders. Question number 15. Who has been roped as assistant coach of the Afghanistan senior men's team? Answer is R. Sridhar. Having served as India's fielding coach in the past, R. Sridhar has been appointed as assistant coach of the Afghanistan senior men's team. The 54-year-old was India's fielding coach for more than 7 years, from August 2014 to November 2021. Sridhar, who has played 35 first-class and 15 List A matches for India, was associated as the fielding coach for more than 300 international matches. Question number 16. India's first indigenously developed ArborMDx monkeypox RT-PCR kit was launched by. Answer is Matech Zone. Andhra Pradesh-based Matech Zone has launched India's first indigenously developed ArborMDx monkeypox RT-PCR kit. It was developed in partnership with Transasia Diagnostics Private Limited. This kit would help in early detection and better management of the infection. Monkeypox was first found in colonies of monkeys in 1958 and was later found in humans in 1970. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.